Good morning, happy homeowners. We are here in Santa Ana refinishing a hand-distressed floor. I just wanted to start the video outside because they are inside sanding and it gets a little bit noisy, and I want to make sure that everybody can hear me, but the homeowner was not a fan of the hand-distressed, and so we refinished the upstairs, and she loved the upstairs so much that she had us come back and do the downstairs. So let me show you a bit of that. Oh my gosh, if I could flip. Homies, the door is locked. No. Anyway, thank you, Miguel.
Hello.
Say hi. I want to take a video of the floor, please. Thank you. So here it is. They started sanding. It's real tough to get the hand distress out, so it's gonna take a few times. It's looking really good. And yeah, come back and we'll keep you updated.